Parang kinakabahan ako dyan, Chris.
When the cars park, the stories begin. Welcome to Night Lock Stories.
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。
So hi, I'm Pao. I'm the president of AEPH Pampanga chapter. Si Bubblegum po yung car ko, and ang story niya po is nag-start talaga siya as family car lang, ganon. Tapos yung dad ko yung nag-start din sa project. Tapos there was a time na nagkasakit si mom ko. She sadly passed away. But ito nga yung naging ambulance namin. Ito rin yung naging transportation namin sa kanya. Ayun po, napamahal na rin ako sa kanya. Tapos gusto kong i-treasure yung memories with my mom. So, ito na po yung story ni Bubblegum. Pinapaganda ko na po siya ngayon. Feeling ko mapaproud si mami. Mag-ride kami kasama siya. Yung mga ganun po. Naging Bubblegum siya kasi bata pa lang ako, favorite color ko na yung pink. And then, parang may stigma kasi na pag babae yung drivers, kamote riders, mga ganyan, kamote drivers, pag gano. Well, gusto ko lang mabago yung tingin ng mga tao sa mga lady drivers. Hindi sila kamote, ganun po. Pink siya para alam nilang lahat na babae ako, babae yung driver ni Bubblegum, and hindi lahat kami kamote riders. Actually, naisip lang namin siyang ipa-repaint, tapos tinanong ako ni dad ko kung anong gusto kong color. Since ako naman daw yung lagi nang gumagamit, nalipat na sa akin yung pangalan, mga ganon. Sabi ko, pwede bang pink? Gumanon ako. Tapos pa-joke lang yun. It started as a joke. And then, sineryoso niya. So, naghanap ako ng color, naghanap ako sa TikTok, naghanap ako sa Pinterest, lahat ng color ng type of pink, hinanap ko. Tapos, ito yung kinalabasan niya, and I was so happy about it. Favorite detail kay Bubblegum? Yung busy touring niya. Kasi, super girly niya, tapos wow, may busy touring ka. Si Bubblegum, ang initial reaction ng mga tao talaga pag nakikita nila si Bubblegum, wow, pink, mga ganyan. Wow, pink. Yung naging biggest challenge namin kay Bubblegum is, or prior pa siya maging Bubblegum, is may nasira yung sa engine niya. May nasira sa engine niya, so kailangan namin i-overhaul. And like, medyo mabigat yung overhaul na yun kasi engine overhaul eh. Yun yung pinaka naging challenge sa amin. Like, wala pa kaming budget, mga ganun. Pero yun, naging patient naman kami. Nag-start din ako mag-working student for Bubblegum and for my mom din. So, ayun, nabuo na siya ulit, umanda na siya ulit. Pwede na siya pang long drive ulit. Ganun. Yes! After kasi ng pagka-paint kay Bubblegum, pumunta ako agad dito sa CGC. Tumambay kami, tapos na-meet ko yung isang admin, si Yan. Tapos, one time pumunta kami ng car meet ng CCP. Nakilala niya ako, sabi niya, punta ka dito. Tapos ayun, nag-start ng ayain ako mag-car meet. Tapos na-meet ko si Kuya Marco, nag-chat siya na gusto ko daw ba mag-join sa group. And I was like, yeah, I want to. Mags! Mags! Mesh type na mags, gano'n. For now, gusto ko muna i-sure yung tono ng takbo ng makina niya kasi meron siyang problema sa engine support. So medyo nginig-nginig pa siya, mga gano'n. Pag napatono na yung engine niya, next is interior naman siguro.
Before meeting her, Bubblegum was just another car that stood out because of its color. But after hearing her story, I realized it's so much more than that. Every modification tells the story of countless hours as a working student, making sacrifices of one step at a time to build the car that she had always dreamed of. But more importantly, it carries the unwavering support of her family and the memories of her mother, someone who may no longer be here, but whose love continues to live on through every drive. As the president of the AEPH Series Pampanga chapter, her vision goes far beyond building the perfect Corolla. She hopes to build something even more meaningful, a community where friendships grow, memories are made, and every member feels like they belong. Because in the end, the most valuable part of a build isn't found under the hood or in the paintwork. It's found in the people who believe in you, the memories you carry with you, and the journey that continues every time you turn the key. And I think that's what bubblegum truly represents. Not just a pink Corolla, but a story of perseverance, family, and a promise to keep moving forward, carrying the people you love with you wherever the road leads next.
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。